Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you Android developer trick that you need to know to effortlessly transfer file from your Android phone to a PC. So let's see. The very first thing we need to do is to make sure we enable or activate Android developer mode on our Android phone. So let's see. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. Right, after you have successfully activated developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search right here. Then type in developer. Then click on developer options. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, all the way down, scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you see default USB configuration. Click on that, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on file transfer / Android Auto. Click on that. It's as simple as that. Each time you are connecting your Android phone USB with your PC, it automatically recognizes file transfer. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.